Yagni Bthah jonga khubor la OneRasP daga fatafat online shopping store.
RiKhasi ka Southrik unaitung araja arpho la test positive se Lyngkhat ki sipai BSF ki Bthah ha kishnong Lyngkhat ha East Khasi district. Yakini lawan yalam no ashishilong balabu iki hapo quarantine. Kala dan ro kajing Bthah ban test se Baroh ki sipai BSF ha kate kishnong khnang man pintikana ba anam like ekawai ru ka case.
Another one positive case from RiKhasi had just come in just now, about say 10 minutes back. This positive case is a high-risk contact of one of the positive case we had found in Khanaparabi, who is a relative of the first index case at Khanaparabi. We had done the contact tracing of these other people which we have found positive, and one has come out positive today, and contact tracing they are doing now on this particular person. Then with regard to East Khasi Hills, the contact tracing of those positive cases at BSF hospital, 2 were found to be positive, and we have traced these particular persons who are already under quarantine. Both of them are from Lyngkhat. They were brought here, kept under quarantine. Now we have got very less people there in Lyngkhat from BSF side, and advisory was given to BSF doctor in charge that the samples be taken for all the BSF Jawans in Lyngkhat remaining, so that we don't miss any case.
Hakbay day pat berkajingta si kibriyo kat balap ia kabala sedang hakana para u Dr. War lai thu Baroh la test lies pat san phomot kibriyo berka report jokini Baroh kalong negative.